Be a Parent Association Executive Board quarterly meeting from 6 to 7 p.m. Wednesday, December 3rd, there will be an AP research trip to the NYPL. Sixth grade will be having a trip to the movies to see Zootopia 2. Hope they enjoy. From 2:50 to 4:50 p.m., there will be band rehearsal. Thursday, December 4th, ninth grade will be having an Anne Frank trip. From 3:35 to 4:35 p.m., debate club will be held in the club room and sports club will be held in the dining room. There will be an SLT meeting in person from 4 to 5 p.m. Friday, December 5th will be a student government sponsored dress down day. Please be sure to abide by the dress code policy and enjoy the day. From 12:15 to 1:15, there will be high school dance residency in the theater for all involved members. And that is it for the event preview for this week. Do not forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. I'm Shekinah, and I'll see you guys next time.